Hello everybody, I'm Brian from How to Automotive, and today's video is about Evap testing equipment such as smoke machines. So I had the opportunity to go down to the Redline leak detection factory where they manufacture the Ready Smoke and other smoke machines and the Evap testing equipment such as the easy intake and the easy Evap adapter that you hook to a fuel neck and test it out. So I went down there and they showed me all around, so I thought I would show you some of my experience at the Redline, and that way if you guys are interested in purchasing or picking up a smoke machine, you can learn a little bit more about them. So stay tuned for that. So Redline is located in Orange, California. All these products are made right here in the United States.
All right. Hi, I'm Alex Rosenberg with Redline Detection, and this is our history room, basically the showcase room. So we'll do just a brief walkthrough of kind of the history of our company and where we kind of started out. Our original machine was the Smoke Pro Total Tech, which is this unit right here, and basically it's evolved since then. You can kind of see like where it goes from the beginning, which is basically just a solid piece of 6061 T6 aluminum, and that's what the main body and all the main components are machined out of. And so everything is really heavy duty, everything's built to last, it's built to withstand the test of time, and it's basically a lifetime tool. So here you have the whole kind of range of where we come as far as our production. We've branded with Redline, we've also branded it with Snap-on, we've done so many different OEs, and then we even have the early development stages of our high pressure units. So these are for testing our like turbo system, coolant systems, and any type of high pressure system that you can think of. So this is literally like hand built, hand bent, like early stage production or prototyping, and then it kind of just evolved from there. And you can see that everything, we have all the different colors, all the different OEs. We have Ford, we have John Deere, Subaru, GM, Jaguar Land Rover, and I mean the list kind of goes on. Our products are mandated with so many different companies. This unit right here is actually mandated with Nissan, and this is our dual smoke unit. This does both evap and high pressure. So if you need a piece of equipment and you have a shop that basically just works on everything from turbo diesels to Honda Civics to, I mean, anything that's from small to large, this is kind of the unit that you need. And so you have your turbo system that you can test on here, and you have your evap system that you can test here. Everything is constructed again to last the test of time, and it's just, I mean, it's good stuff. So we also furthered our line with our Total Techs and our Smoke Pro units. We have Mac Tools, Matco, we have Cornwell, and then below it we have our portable leak detector. So this was mandated with Subaru, and this is basically our rebranded Air Complete. So this unit, you don't need shop air to run this unit. This is more of a tool that you have on the truck. All you need to do is plug it in at 12 volts, and you're good to go as far as finding leaks for low pressure evap systems. Coming around, we have our Bosch unit right here. So this unit we were developed with Bosch as a signature just for them. We did not rebrand this as our own unit. This is their own specific unit, and they had a few requirements that needed. They wanted a specific design. They want a couple features that we don't normally offer that just kind of made the machine stand out, and it just turned out to be an awesome piece of equipment. And then this unit's actually not completely put together right now, but this is our air brake nano leak finder. This is for systems that are basically 100 psi or higher. If you have a truck that has air brakes, or you run a big rig or anything like that, and you're looking to find those leaks, this is the unit that you need. This comes with a sniffer that, when utilized with this machine, allows you to locate those leaks. It also tells you basically what your leak rate is, what your leak down is, whether it passes or fails on the DOT standard. And this is an awesome piece of equipment. Everything is made right here in the US. It's in Orange, California. So this is an earlier rendition of our easy intake. This is actually one of our most popular tools that we have. We have a lot of different renditions that we did. This is way back in the day. Like basically, this is all handmade on a lathe using acetal and aluminum. Everything is just made by hand. And we needed a way to tap into intake systems and different ports. There were all these different shapes and weird sizes. Like Jaguar always has those oval intake pipes, and then you have the diesel truck or naturally aspirated like V8s that have really big intake ducts but don't really require high pressure. This was the tool that we developed for that. And this is kind of just shows the wide variety and the range at which you can utilize the tool. So this is a Jaguar intake. I mean, obviously you're not going to have any type of cap that's going to be able to block this off, and you really don't want to take it off in order to have to go to the throttle body, because that makes it even more difficult. So you put this in, you expand your bladder, and it completely fills that orifice, and it allows you to very successfully test at least 1 psi, and also has the pass-through port so you can check your visual vapor. Very, very cool tool to have.
So I'm Brian Esser from How To Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Also give Redline a look and head over to their website. I'll link it all up in the description of the video. Thank you again for watching.